Hello guys, Crew here. We're back with my 16x16 screen. Why? I had intended this to be part of an unofficial Computercraft 1.4 launch trailer, but since this is breaking in the next release of the beta, I decided to just show how powerful it actually is. I'm also showing this because the last video was a bit maybe boring because it was only 2 pixels changing. I couldn't actually prove that it's multicolor. This is more a test to prove yes, the design is multicolor and every pixel can be changed. As you're looking at the screen now, we're running the pixel tester. It's just to I used it to check if every color is working, and as you may see, some pixel didn't get triggered when it should have. That's because this build isn't reliable. It's way too code intensive, and it's madness to build it in this scale. Let's just set it to day here. We have now gone through the colors white to light gray, and I think that's enough for this program. And now we will use my other test program that has a more practical use. First we type ClearAll. That would clear the screen as expected. Clearing and setting the screen, for example changing from white to full black or any other color, or changing, making for animation, could happen in give me a sec here. It could be done in about 0.6 seconds. The screen is very fast. It's just that it isn't reliable in the length that you should actually use it. But here's my practical program. I call it bundled. This uses the bundle cables from RedPower and displays them on the screen. As you can see here, we have all the 16 wool colors. Under them are lines of red, which means all these wires are turned off. Besides this one, when you first start up the program it won't show, but once you flick any lever it will update the screen as it should be. So if I were to flick this one, you will see that light gray and cyan is turned on. This works for any color combination, whatever you decide to use it for. It's pretty fast. I believe the delay is 0.2 for flicking the lever till it shows up. It's in this scale with this delay, it's kind of reliable if the screen itself is reliable, which isn't always the case, as pixels might get stuck and it's just a nightmare to fix. This can be a useful thing if you don't want to use lamps and want to go on the overkill thing. It's just to show that it can be used practically. And my next program will just show, for these who haven't seen it, pixel art, showing that yes, this can be used for animated pixel art. And this basic test just shows the normal Computercraft computer screen with a blinking cursor. Take it easy guys. Hello guys, I'm back. I forgot to show how this actually works, and I will do that now. The back of this is turtles, 256 turtles, each in the ID from 1 Forge 256, where this is 1, this is ID 2, 3, 4 to 16, 17 to 32. Very sensitive when you build it. It needs to be like this or it won't work, unless you want to make some mapping with all the IDs. Every turtle acts like a remote control. It just waits to It just waits for a rednet message, and then it executes the rednet message as a function. Every turtle got all the 16 painters of industrial craft in them, which was a pain to load up. If you do the math, 256 times 16 is 4096. I'm grateful that I could use RedPower to load them up, and I hope that's a good enough explanation for you guys. I'll see you guys later.